Hello everyone, today I will show you how to look up keybinds on the controller in Sword of Convallaria. To look up the keybinds on the controller in Sword of Convallaria, simply open the main menu, then quickly press the settings button right here, and simply go to the keybinds. Right here are all the keybinds that you will need in your general gameplay. And here are your in-battle keybinds. If you want more information, you can simply press the icon right here. As you can see, there are many different notices and information for you to expand your knowledge about the game and its settings. And that's it. You can simply go back once more. And well, thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.